Hey guys, today I've got a unique Bluetooth speaker to show you. It comes in 3 colors, and this one here is metallic black. The packaging is really solid and secure. It looks stunning. The build quality is honestly top-notch. Let's take a closer look. There are 3 drivers on the front, 2 tweeters and 1 large woofer. The fabric wrap on the outside feels very durable and looks great. Now, let's power it on and test out the sound quality. The blue light has stopped flashing, which means we're successfully connected.
Mode activated. Mode activated.